सांग बोल पटापट. Happy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. So I'm so excited. This is going to be my first video of 2024. So me and Anushka, my sister, decided to do a video. We are going to try some of the Korean snacks today, and actually she suggested me to do. All credit goes to her, or else jaldi video nahi aata kabhi. And yeah, so we have a grocery store nearby and we get few of the Korean snacks, so we went there and we bought few of them. And so let's get into the video. So first we are going to try this super spicy Korean ramen noodles. So back in London I haven't tried any of the ramen noodles. I tried just one, which was kimchi cup noodles, which were instant, and few days were like it was my lunch because it was instant and I used to eat and just sleep. So let's try.
Yes, let's start.
Okay, we have, this is how it looks like, and we have put a lot of cheese but it is not melted. But it's spicy, believe me, it's so spicy. So I am vegetarian, so we are just trying two vegetarian ramen noodles. She wanted to try non-veg. How's it?
Not spicy that much.
Yeah, because you are used to it, no? So how much you would rate this ramen noodles?
9.5 out of 10.
Yeah, I would agree. I don't usually eat spicy food that much, but yeah, I would rate 9. And yeah, those who like spicy noodles, they're gonna like this one. Do try it. So second one is the kimchi ramen noodles. And so there is thing, whatever it is, Maggi or noodles, we have to put cheese in everything. So we have kimchi one, and I'm not trying it with cheese. I'm just gonna try. So I know how it tastes, but I don't know how it tastes here. So let's give it a try. It's same. Yeah. It tastes same as it was in London. So how much you would rate?
10 out of
10. Wow. So I would rate the kimchi one 6, 7. It was okay. And the super spicy, it was so spicy. I'm feeling still spice in my mouth. Next one is mogu mogu. I have tried mogu mogu, but I know it is not a Korean drink, but still I'm gonna drink it because I'm feeling so spicy. In the mango flavor, and we get a lot of flavors in this. And I tried this in London as well and it was so good. And mango, I'm trying it for the first time. So next one is Poki Poki, and we have like two flavors in this, strawberry and chocolate. Okay, you open this one. I will open this one. I have not tried this. अरे भाई ये तो अगरबत्ती जैसे दिखता है.
Pink agarbatti.
So let's try. It's okay, it's good.
I'll give this a 5 out of 10.
Ka? You did not like?
No.
I like this one, this chocolate one. You try this one. I'll try the strawberry. Okay, I'll rate chocolate one 9. It's good. I like chocolate. I'm trying strawberry.
8 on 10.
I don't eat mostly strawberry flavored snacks or things. I like strawberry shake.
You like strawberry shake?
Yeah. But this one I would rate
I like this one. Chocolate.
7.
Too good.
Okay, okay. Next one. So you know this, we have been eating this since childhood. I got this one there in cookie and cream, and I haven't tried this flavor cookie and cream. I've tried vanilla and chocolate. What about you?
I've tried this one.
You haven't tried vanilla and chocolate?
I've tried this.
This?
It's too good.
Okay, and I was asking, yeah, which one is your favorite among the ramen you have tried so far?
In non-veg.
Which one is your favorite?
Bulldog Rose one. It's too
It's
good.
non-veg?
Yes.
Okay,
It's
so
too good.
to the people who like spicy, you can try super spicy. For veg one, for the people who eat just veg, they can try this one, super spicy one. It's good and it's very super spicy. I cannot eat. You have tried, so you know the taste. I haven't tried.
It's too good.
It's good. I like it. How much you would rate? I would rate 10.
10 on 10. It's too good.
So guys, we are ending this video here, and that was it for this video. We did not have enough Korean snacks, but jitna bhi tha we tried and showed you. And I hope you liked this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel
To our
actually.
channel.
And if you like both of us in this video, please comment down below and we will try more stuff. And also tell us what you want us trying next. And yeah, wanna say something?
No. Bye.
I see you in the next
Bye.
video. Bye.